In this video, I'm going to show you how to multiply binomials, which is frequently called foiling. The reason why you'll hear it called foiling is because each letter in FOIL tells you which terms in your binomials to multiply. So for example, the first terms that I'm going to multiply are my first terms in each binomial, so x times x. If I multiply x times x, I get x squared. Next, I'm going to multiply my outer terms. That would give me x times 1, which is simply x. Next will be my inner terms, so 2 times x, which will give me 2x. And lastly, I'm going to multiply the last terms, so 2 times 1, which is simply 2. Now the last thing I need to do is I always need to combine my like terms. So for example, I don't have any other x squareds, so I'm just going to rewrite that. However, I can combine x and 2x to give me positive 3x. And then I don't have any other constants, so I'm just going to write plus 2. And here we go. There is my new expression after I have successfully FOILed or multiplied my two binomials. Here is another example where I'm going to multiply by my binomials. However, in this one I have a -2, and we're going to see how that affects my answer. However, the steps are always the same. So I'm going to multiply my first two terms, so that gives me x squared, and then I'm going to multiply my outer terms, so x times 4, that gives me 4x. Then my inner terms, -2 times x gives me a -2x. And then my last term, so -2 times 4, that's going to give me a -8. And as always, I need to combine my like terms, so I'm going to write x squared. Since I don't have any other x squareds, I can't combine it with anything. And here I have positive 4x minus 2x, so that's going to give me a positive 2x. And then again, I don't have any other constants, so I'm just going to write -8. For my last example, I'm going to show you how to multiply two binomials where both of them have subtraction. Again, it's the exact same steps. So I'm going to multiply my first terms. So again, x squared. My outer terms, x times -5 gives me a -5x. My inner terms, -3 times x gives me a -3x. And then my last terms, -3 times -5 gives me a positive 15. As always, don't forget to combine your like terms. So x squared, I have a -5x minus a 3x, so that's going to give me a -8x. And like I said before, I don't have any other constants, so I'm just going to rewrite my plus 15.